is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and desire one because of the to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity, alone life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
This is brought to you by Harini. Statues. Telangana CM Revanth Reddy urged government school students to focus on learning global languages. Sport news. In the FIFA World Cup 2026 football, in the final match, Spain defeated Argentina with 1-0 goals. Thank you.
This is brought to you by M. Dhanush from Grade VIII Cerulean. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, wind speed 15 to 25 kilometers per hour, around humidity 60 to 70%. Thank you.
Screwless thought. The sky is not the limit. When your determination reaches behind the moon. I repeat again. The sky is not the limit. When your determination reaches behind the moon. Thank you.
This is Yoitse from Grade VIII Cerulean. Today I am going to say about what eclipse, an occasion when the moon and the sun was disappeared. Friends, please spell after me. Eclipse. E-C-L-I-P-S-E. Eclipse. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's amazing facts is brought to you by C. Rishit Reddy. Fact number 1. The snake is lot older than the trees. Fact number 2. A day on Venus is larger than a year. Fact number 3. The moon is defending away. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning everyone. I am C. Sweja. I am here to speak about International Moon Day. International Moon Day is celebrated on 20 July. It reminds us the power of science, courage and human determination to achieve what once made impossible. International Moon Day encourages us to learn more about space and inspires young minds to dream big. As students, we should celebrate this day by learning about astronomy, read about space and develop a spirit about curiosity and scientific thinking. Thank you and happy International Moon Day.
Brought to you by M. from Grade VIII Cerulean. Question for Grade VII. Which was the first mission to land humans on the moon? Yes, we pick the right answer and answer is Apollo 11. Let's all appreciate them. Question for Grade VIII. Which country first landed humans on the moon? Yes, we pick the right answer and answer is United States. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade IX. Which Indian mission successfully landed near the moon's south pole? Yes, we pick the right answer and answer is Chandrayaan 3. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade X. What is the Earth's only natural satellite? Moon. Yes, we pick the right answer. The answer is the moon. Let us all appreciate them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. In which year did humans first land on the moon? Yes, we pick the right answer and answer is 1969. Let's all appreciate them. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Nationalist is brought to you by Gary Pasha of Grade VIII. The European Union has expressed the concern over the human rights situations in Pakistan, call for the compliance. India's first hydrogen-powered train introduced, making an important step towards the clean and more sustainable transportation. Thank you. Have a short day.